Certainly. Below is an analysis of the Honda CRF250F SM, focusing on various aspects like its design, performance, usability, and overall market position. Note that specific details might vary slightly depending on the model year and regional configurations. Design and build quality. The Honda CRF250F SM, with its roots in the reliable CRF lineup, is typically designed for versatility, balancing off-road capability with street performance. The SM variant, which stands for Supermoto, usually includes modifications like road tires and possibly different suspension settings compared to its purely off-road counterparts. The build is robust, utilizing high-quality materials characteristic of Honda's manufacturing standards. It often features a sleek, aggressive aesthetic tailored to appeal to both new riders and those looking for a manageable, yet sporty option. Engine and performance. The CRF250F SM is likely powered by a 250 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine, providing a good balance of power and efficiency. This makes it suitable for both urban commuting and light trail riding. The engine is designed for durability and is known for its low maintenance needs, thanks to Honda's engineering focus. It may not be the most powerful in its class, but it offers a smooth, manageable ride ideal for beginners or those who prefer a gentler riding experience. Usability and comfort. As a supermoto, the CRF250F SM is expected to excel in handling, especially on paved roads. It typically features a comfortable riding position, making it easy on the back and arms, suitable for longer rides or daily commutes. The suspension system is adept at handling potholes and urban settings, providing a smooth ride over various surfaces. The bike's lightweight nature enhances its maneuverability, making it a great choice for navigating through traffic or tight trails. Technology and features. While the CRF250F SM may not be packed with high-end technological features, it usually includes enough to meet the expectations of its target market, practical riders looking for a reliable, easy-to-handle bike. Features might include basic digital displays, standard safety features, and possibly some customizable options like adjustable suspension components for riders who like to tweak their setup. Price and value. Honda typically positions the CRF250F SM as an affordable entry-level supermoto, offering good value for its price. It's designed to be cost-effective to maintain, with Honda's renowned reliability and extensive dealer network providing additional value through accessible service and support. Market position and competitors. The CRF250F SM competes in a relatively niche segment occupied by other beginner-friendly supermotos and dual-sport motorcycles, such as the Yamaha WR250X or the Suzuki DR-Z400 SM. Its primary advantage lies in Honda's reputation for quality and reliability, as well as the bike's accessibility to new riders. Conclusion. Overall, the Honda CRF250F SM is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a versatile, user-friendly motorcycle that combines the thrill of a sport bike with the practicality of a daily commuter. It's particularly suited to those new to riding or looking to enter the supermoto style of motorcycling without breaking the bank or sacrificing on quality. Subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and tips, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications about our latest videos.